Hello friends, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to solve a complaint like the mobile phone is good but the backlight of the display is not working. We are going to solve the complaint of the display backlight problem. So let's get into the video. Look at the back side. Look here, the back side of the display there will be a LED segment. If that LED is in fault, we can replace it. If not, we have to solve this issue. That LED segment gives light to the display. When you have changed the display, even if it is not coming, the soldering process may be wrong. Tracking line may be damaged. I'll on the display and will show you. In the bottom I have a mobile for flashlight. So I'm going to experiment that by using this method. When I hide the flashlight, the display cannot be seen. When I take my hand from the flashlight of the mobile which I have kept down, you can see the display. Backlight is in the problem here. So we are going to see how to jumper and arrange the track line in this video. Before replacing the display, you should check the LED light in it. You should check the LED segment with the flashlight or a LED light like this, as I have checking now. So I am using a mobile's flashlight to check the LED segment. So before replacing it, check once the display by using the flashlight or a LED light. So here the keypad LED are working, but the display is not working. Again I'll show you. And then I'm going to check the track line. For that I have set the multimeter in continuity mode and I'm going to check the voltage supply. I'm now checking the voltage supply. I am checking the supply and continuity in this segment. So friends, the lines are coming from these segments. I am going to do jumpering process in this. This is the lightning power supply. You can use schematic diagram for finding out the supply lines. Using jumpering lines, I am going to do jumpering process. So this is the segment. The tracking lines can be seen very well. This is the lightning power supply. You can use the schematic diagram as I have told before. I am going to do jumpering process. You should check the voltage supply, so only the LED lights can be checked. See, I have done the jumpering process. I am jumpering the other end and done with the capacitor.
அந்த ஜம்பரிங் அப்படின்றத அடிச்சிருக்கேன் சரிங்களா. ஸோ இப்போ நமக்கு மொபைல் வந்து டிஸ்பிளே வருது. ஸோ எல்லா பட்டனும் வந்து கரெக்டாக வந்து ஒர்க் ஆகுது சரிங்களா. ஸோ கீப்பர் லைட்டு எல்லாமே நமக்கு வந்து கரெக்டாக வந்து எரியுது. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து ஒரு மைக்ரோமேக்ஸ் கொடுத்து
Now we are checking the display. So now could you able to see the display is working. So friends, hope you all have liked this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you could view all the videos that are posted in our channel, and comment on the comment section below. Thanks for watching.